Welcome to this comprehensive market outlook for February 12th, 2026. Today we are conducting a deep dive into every critical stock and technical level on the radar. Nifty 50 is coming off a positive session, closing at 25,935. Gift Nifty is currently pointing towards a bullish opening near the 26,018 mark. Technically, the RSI is hovering around 58, which is neutral to mildly bullish. While the MACD is in positive territory, we are seeing some momentum cooling. India VIX remains elevated, signaling that we should prepare for continued intraday volatility as we approach key resistance zones. The 26,000 level is our major psychological hurdle today. We are seeing heavy call writing here, making it a critical level for a potential breakout. Should we break above 26,000? Keep your eyes on sequential targets at 26,250, then 26,120, and potentially a move toward 26,200. On the downside, 25,800 acts as our immediate demand zone. Holding this level is crucial for maintaining the current constructive market structure. A breakdown below 25,800 could lead us toward the critical support band between 25,500 and 25,600, where the 20-day and 100-day EMAs sit. For our buy setup, we are looking for entries strictly above 26,000, targeting 26,200 with a stop loss maintained at 25,900. Conversely, a sell setup triggers below 25,800. Our targets would be 25,600, using 25,900 as our risk management stop loss. Moving to high momentum stocks, Axis Bank is trading near RS 1,000 at 315. It's up over 4.5% with a massive volume of 2.27 crore shares. ICICI Bank is one to watch for a reversal. Its RSI is currently at 39, which is oversold territory, accompanied by high volume of 1.15 crore. State Bank of India is showing strong liquidity with 1.36 crore volume. Its RSI of 34 confirms a deeply oversold condition. Canara Bank presents an intraday sell setup. We are looking at an entry around R148.55 with a target price of R146.73. In metals, Hindustan Copper is trading at RF560, up nearly 5%. It is inches away from its 52-week high of RF576 with a 54,000 crore market cap. Hindustan Zinc has already crossed its 52-week high, trading at 777. This high-volume stock is showing exceptional sectoral momentum. Vedanta is seeing sharp moves at R1660. It has delivered nearly 30% returns over the last 3 months, though it remains highly volatile. NMDC is also seeing strong participation in the metal space, reflecting the broad-based buying we are witnessing in this sector. Turning to commodities, gold prices are seeing a steady upward trend. MCX gold futures are trading near R158 out of 436 per 10 grams, supported by firm global cues. Technically, gold maintains a bullish bias, with immediate resistance at the $5,125 level. A breakout here could extend the advance sharply. Silver is experiencing high volatility. MCX silver futures are currently trading close to RS2 from $75,000 per kilo, even as industrial demand remains strong. Technical analysis shows resistance near RS2 FOMC ATU 110, while strong support levels are situated around the RS2 Uniken of 14,000 mark. Prepare for rapid price swings. In tech and telecom, Party Airtel remains a pillar of consistency, with a market cap of 9.28 lakh crore and steady intraday volumes. Havells India is showing bullish sentiment, trading above its VBRP at RS1 512. The market cap now stands at over 95,000 crore. Tata Motors is approaching oversold territory with an RSI of 37. Its massive volume of 133 lakh shares suggests significant intraday interest. BHL is in focus due to a government OFS at Rs 254 per share, offering an 8% discount. This is a key liquidity event to watch. Adding to the news, BHL has also bagged a fresh 2,800 crore Cygnus order, strengthening its already robust order book. Titagarh Rail Systems has received approval as a wagon leasing company, providing a long-term positive structural trigger for the stock. Earnings season continues with Mahindra and Mahindra. Results are due between 1 and 3 p.m. today. Watch for auto volumes and tractor demand commentary. We also have Ashok Leyland and Patanjali Foods in the spotlight today, as the market reacts to their upcoming earnings reports. Hindustan Rectifier's board is meeting today to consider a bonus issue, which could provide a fresh boost to shareholder sentiment. Grasim Industries delivered a strong Q3 beat, with revenue surging 28% year over year, supported by robust growth in their B2B e-commerce platform. Grasim's entry into the paint segment with Birla Opus is accelerating market share gains, showing strong early growth in a competitive space. In Novoco Vistas, HDFC Mutual Fund has increased its stake from 4.93% to over 5.3%, a strong signal of institutional confidence. In the power sector, NTPC offers a sell setup at Rs 363.83. Despite this, its regulated earnings provide long-term, predictable cash flows. Power Grid remains stable at Rs 291. With a 2.7 lakh crore market cap, it's a lower-risk option for defensive traders. Watch Torrent Power closely as results are expected. The market will be monitoring power demand trends and new renewable additions. For consumer stocks, ITC has an intraday sell setup at Rs 324.38. Watch the volume for a potential confirmation of this move. Page Industries goes ex-dividend today at Rs 125 per share. We also see an intraday sell setup around the Rs 35,000 level. Turning to our technical buy setups, InfoEdge looks strong. Entry at Rs 1,164, targeting Rs 1,197 with a stop loss at Rs 1,144. Varun Beverages is another high conviction buy. Look for an entry at Rs 400I 1.82, aiming for Rs 464.53 with a 2.8% potential upside. KFin Technologies and Bharat Dynamics both offer over 2% upside potential. Follow the suggested targets and stop losses strictly. For our sell setups, Max Healthcare is under pressure. Entry at Rs 1020, targeting a drop to Rs 997.6 with a stop at Rs 1032. Bharat Forge also shows weakness. Entry is at Rs 1,594 with a target of Rs 1,573 and a stop loss placed at Rs 1,611. Adani Enterprises is another sell candidate today. Entry at Rs 2,259, targeting Rs 2,230. Keep a tight stop loss at Rs 2,278. Finally, ONGC completes our list of sell setups. Entry at Rs 267.75 with a target price of 264.6. Maintain your discipline with the stop loss. Global cues will impact our tech stocks. Cisco and AppLovin have reported results, which could drive tech sentiment spillover today. Tonight we expect reports from Applied Materials, Arista Networks and Coinbase. These will be key catalysts for tomorrow's opening. To summarize, focus on banks and metals in the morning. Watch midday earnings like M&M and monitor Nifty's behavior near the 26,000 level. Remember, market conditions can change rapidly. Always trade with a plan and manage your risk carefully. Have a successful trading day.